He's famous, he's gorgeous, and ladies, he's single. The sexy Mr. Honey Bunny and his newest chart topper eats carrots and you know it.
He likes rich. Look at that bunny. Look at that bunny. He likes rich. When I walk in the kitchen, this is what I see. All kinds of produce staring at me. Got veggies in my fridge, but I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. It's carrots and you know it. It's carrots.